Hello friends, welcome back to Promote Health and Wellness YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Girish CM. I am an orthopedic and sports physiotherapist. Today I am going to share knowledge about 3 breathing exercises for the COVID patients. These exercises will help to relieve breathing difficulties, removing secretions and help to improve lung expansion.
For those who suffer from shortness of breath or physical activity can be difficult, pursed lip breathing is one of the easiest way to control and regulate the breath when you are active. Pursed lip breathing should be done with a mouth closed and air should be taken through a nose and hold it for 2 seconds. Then exhale it through pursed lip, or we call it in a whistling or kissing position. I am starting it now. You hold it for 2 seconds, then exhale it. When we are exhaling it, it should be double the inspiration. Diaphragmatic breathing is one of the easiest way to control blood pressure, tension or stress. Diaphragmatic breathing is also known as the belly breathing. During diaphragmatic breathing, we should be in a sitting position and comfortable. Our neck should be relaxed and shoulders should be relaxed. Here, when we are taking an inspiration, we need to place one hand on the chest, another one hand on the abdominal. When we take an inspiration, air should go through our nose and it should passes to the abdominal. When the air passes to the abdominal should move forward. When this happens, then when there is an exhale, so gently we need to push the hand to the abdominal, thereby the air moves out through our lungs, through our mouth in the form of a pursed lip. Like this I am going to demonstrate. We need to take it here through our nose. When we do that, the abdominal moves forward but the chest remains the same. Then after, gently press the abdominal. So this should be done several times. When we do this diaphragmatic breathing, the chest should be remains the same, only the abdominal movement should be happening. Now let us do costal breathing technique. This technique is also known as a shallow breathing technique. During inhalation, intercostal muscles will get contract, thereby air will be flow from the nose to the lungs with the expansion of thoracic cavity. During exhalation, passively air will be moved out from the lungs through a mouth. During inspiration, normally 2 to 3 seconds will takes place. During expiration, it takes about 3 to 5 seconds. Here clearly indicates expiration is much longer than the inspiration.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for a future notification. If there is any suggestion or advice, kindly mention in the comment box. Thank you all. Stay safe. God bless you all.